All right, y'all. So as promised, I want to show you something cool that I got this week. So I use tool sterilizers for my metal tools because I do for myself because rather than spending a ton on disposable when it's mostly just me, I do use some metal tools on myself like cuticle pushers, scissors, my magic wand, stuff like that. So what I had was the Macart tool sterilizer with the glass beads in it, which some of you guys have probably seen this on Amazon. It does the job. It does sterilize, as far as I know. This one's dusty because I don't use it. There are some issues with it, so I went looking for something else. First, let me tell you why, because I don't want to seem like I'm bagging on Macart or whatever. There's no timer or anything. You just turn it on, and when the light turns green, it's hot enough. The glass beads get superheated, and that's what sterilizes the metal. Now, if you're anything like me, you hurt yourself on occasion. So if you flick one of these little glass beads, or it comes out in one of the tools, like so, and you get it on your skin, get off. You end up like me with some little, bead-shaped marks on you. So not a big fan of that. Also, it doesn't close while the tools are in it. So once it heats up, you have to take them out. And if it's double-sided, you got to flip it over, and beads, yeah, that's what happens. Beads fly everywhere, and it's super hot when you take it out. So, use an oven mitt, and I'm not that bright, so I always grab it and then flip it over in my hand and burn myself. Mostly stupidity is what happens, but the other issue is, I don't know if you guys notice, I have all these cool rose gold tools that I like to use because they're pretty and I like them more than, the straight silver ones. I just like them. They're pretty. They cost a little bit more, and I sterilize them in this, and I mean, if you can see why I am upset. Here, yeah, so not real happy with that. I didn't even finish sterilizing, like it burned the crap out of them because I left it in too long, because it says 30 minutes, I guessed. So yeah, not a big fan of that. So I went looking. Let me show you what I got. Okay, so it is plugged in. A couple things. It does have, dust. It does have temperature gauge and a timer. Also, the whole thing's metal, so it's got wooden handles. So if you have to unplug it, move it in a hurry, you're not gonna burn your hands on it. I did plug it in, but it also came with an instruction book, came with some extra fuses. The rings, this is pretty cool. I will show you what the rings are for here in a second. But basically, what you do is you take your metal tools, put them in the little tray, like so. Yada yada. Drop them in. So there's another little tray inside of there that completely shields like the heating element so that you don't, touch it. I would. This is kind of it's an autoclave, basically, what they use at tattoo shops and things like that. So you put your little tray in there, you shut it, and then you turn it on, and you turn the temperature gauge up. Anyway, okay, so you turn it on, you set your temperature to whatever. Now, it's gonna blink until it's gonna start going. You set your timer for how long you want it to run, I guess. Let's say 29 minutes. Now, as the temperature goes up, this is gonna change, and it's gonna keep beeping as it goes up, so I'm not gonna turn the timer back on. The rings are for at the end. You can either use an oven mitt or something, or take your little rings and grab the tray. Anyway, because of the timer, because it shuts itself off, I didn't burn my tools again. I don't know, it just makes me feel super professional. I don't know why. You can feel, it's supposed to be closed, don't be like me. It's supposed to be closed. Do not touch. Do not open when it's turned on. It says it right here, but I don't listen. Anyway, I thought it was pretty cool. I think I got it on sale. It was like 60 bucks, which the McCart one was like 39. So it wasn't even that much of a difference. And it's just like a totally different beast. You know what I mean? Nothing wrong with the McCart one. If you want, it's not that much of a price difference, and it just seems a lot safer. I'm still cleaning up glass beads. Anyway, so that was the cool new thing that I got this week. I'll put the link in the description box where I found it on Amazon, because I saw a lot of the tool sterilizer things, but they didn't really have the digital display, and I'm terrified, so I need a lot of foolproof stuff. So I like this one, and it was reasonably priced. And I mean, the tray's a pretty good size, so I can fit a good amount of stuff in there, you know, quite a few of my tools, especially because they're small. But, you know, all my scissors, all my nail clippers, all my cuticle nippers, just all of it. So, you know, drill bits also can go in here, because they don't fit through the holes. So, yeah, if you're interested, the link will be down below. And later this week, I will be showing you how to fix this mess. I'm excited. I got some new brushes and stuff, and I don't know. It's good to be back. So anyway, as always, as you guys know, thank you so much for watching.